Okay, so I'm walking out the place. I'm walking out. It was good. I was gonna get some food, but I could not decide. There's too many options, and I'm fine with that. I got what I needed to get. My car is ready. I will be going that way to pick it up. My arm is getting tired from these bags. It is heavy. I'm fucking ready. I'm gonna buy so much alcohol. Like more than I need. I'm just gonna have like a 36 pack. Or is it 32 pack? I don't know how big is the pack. So I'm just gonna have a pack of alcohol in my cores, and then I'm gonna get a 2-box wine, and then I'm gonna get 2 presidential, I don't know, just maybe 1 president, 2, not 3. 3 will be like $60. That's kind of too much. Damn, this boy has a fatty. Who's a fatty? He's thick. He's thick, son. He's thick. Alright. Wait, hold on. Give me a second. My headset just died. What does it say? Daddy got a fatty. Oh, that rhymes. Daddy got a fatty. Oh, no, you. That should be on a t-shirt. Okay. If anyone makes that shirt before me, I will punch you in the throat. But Daddy has a fatty is my new merch. I promise you, I'm gonna make that shirt. I promise you. It's gonna be called Daddy Has a Fatty. I'm so convinced that shit's gonna sell out. Daddy Has a Fatty. And then it could be Daddy Has a Fatty Blunt, Daddy Has a Fatty Butt, Daddy Has a Fatty Dick. I don't know. Daddy Has a Fatty. Any. I'm down. I'm down. Let's do that. Okay. This parking lot is my worst nightmare. I literally said, like, I don't want to walk through the parking lot. And what did I do? I'm walking through the parking lot. I think I see my car. Did someone just fall? Oh no, it was just a tire. I think I see my car. I'm gonna go get it because, bro, I got 2 new shoes. I'm so happy. There's this homeless guy. I should give him some money. I'm trying to donate to that company, the shoe company, but bro, you're not gonna bully me into buying your shit. But at least you can tell me about it. But you're not gonna bully me. Fuck off. No, I didn't mean like that. I'm gonna shout it out. Let me grab some money for this homeless guy. Is he homeless though? Is he though? Thanks, brother. Want $1, bro? Did you hear that asshole honk at me? Like, I wish he would fucking hit me. I got him on camera. I'll sue his ass. I wish he would. Anyways, There will always be haters on your path to greatness. Just remember that. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm here. My car has been moved. I don't know where it is, so let me pick it up. Bro, I think I'm crossing. I don't know where my car is. Let's move on. Let's worry about that later. Okay. I think it's ready though. I don't know. Let's set the app. I don't see it inside the port, so let's find out.